team, I'm excited to announce that we'll be implementing a 4-shift pattern in the ward starting next month. This new schedule aims to improve staff morale, reduce burnout, and enhance patient care.
I'm curious to know how this new pattern will work. Mihira, will it involve longer shifts or fewer days off?
The 4-shift pattern will involve working fewer days per week, but with slightly longer shifts. This will provide staff with more time for rest and personal commitments.
I'm concerned about the impact on patient care. Won't longer shifts lead to fatigue and reduced alertness?
We've carefully considered this. We'll implement strategies to manage fatigue, such as scheduled breaks and opportunities for rest during shifts. Additionally, we'll ensure adequate staffing to prevent excessive workloads.
Mihira, will this new pattern affect our existing shift preferences or seniority?
We'll prioritize the needs of our staff and accommodate their preferences as much as possible. However, there may be some adjustments required to ensure a balanced distribution of shifts.
Mihira, I understand you're seeking information about septoplasty, and it's completely normal to have questions about a procedure like this. Let me explain it in detail for you. A septoplasty is an operation designed to straighten a deviated nasal septum, which is the wall of bone and cartilage that divides your two nostrils. When this septum is crooked, it can cause the breathing difficulties you may be experiencing. It's important to know that this is typically a day surgery, meaning you will likely be able to go home on the very same day after a short period of recovery in the hospital, once the medical team is satisfied with your initial healing. The goal of this procedure is to provide you with long-term relief and improve your quality of life. The most direct benefit you can expect is significantly improved airflow through your nose, making both breathing and physical exertion feel much easier. You may also find that you have fewer nosebleeds, if those have been an issue, as the straighter septum is less prone to drying and irritation. Furthermore, by opening up your nasal passages, the procedure often leads to a noticeable improvement in snoring and, very importantly, the quality of your sleep. When you can breathe freely at night, your body can rest more deeply, which can have a positive impact on your energy levels and overall well-being throughout the day. This surgery is about giving your body the structure it needs to function at its best, and we will be with you every step of the way to ensure you feel supported and informed.